established a cattle breeding farm in Batangas over the last 12 months, and now it's beginning to demand a lot of attention and work from me. Uh, from taking care of people, I'm now taking care of animals. But even if they're animals, they're very intelligent, and if you get to know them, you know that there are things you should be doing to be able to achieve your goals. So I hope more brands will be interested and more brands can be taken in. As Chito said, there are many brands out there with expertise whom I know would be more than willing to share. Maybe not in a very regular way, but if you could organize forums where there would be an interchange. I mentioned to Edric earlier, we only get to touch base with each other during fellowship, during homecomings or gatherings, birthday meetings. But that is very shallow. Probably a more focused activity where people gather there just to have an exchange of ideas, uh, an exchange of issues. If there's anything I can do to help you, guide you, that would generate a better outcome and greater appreciation among the brads. Then we give a deeper meaning to the brotherhood we have, that we're really there for each other.